To study accounting, you need to have a plan and you need to be consistent in applying that plan. In terms of covering the content, it's really good to attend lectures. I know you probably don't want to attend lectures necessarily, but they really are beneficial. And the lecturer will be able to take you through the intricacies of the content that you're covering. You should sit at a desk. If you study on your bed or on the couch, you would end up taking a nap. So if you're sitting at your desk, get all your stationery and your papers ready and write under exam conditions, because that's how you're going to have to perform when you write the final paper or the final test. When you're writing your exam questions, you should write for the time allocation, and then when it comes to the end of the time allocation, you should change the color pen that you're writing in and then complete the paper in its entirety. When it comes to marking, you can mark the entire attempt and then give yourself 2 different marks. 1 mark for the entire paper and 1 mark for the portion that you wrote during the time allocation. This is to assess 2 different things. The full mark will give you an idea of the knowledge that you have on the topic, and the mark that you're given for the attempt under the time allocation will tell you what you need to work on in terms of time management and exam technique. Every now and then you should take some time out to reassess and to reevaluate your study progress. So you would need to look at how far you've come, so celebrate your wins and the victories along the way. Then this is a marathon, it's not a sprint. So you need to take some time out for yourself to allow your brain a chance to file the information that you've been studying. And then also you would need to look at the problem areas and go and address those, whether it be exam technique, whether it be some part of the content, and just go over those again. This will make you successful in your studies.